Dear friends, this is Dr. Selvankumar, Professor, Center for Global Health Research, Saveetha Medical College and Hospitals, Saveetha University, Chennai. Dear friends, it's my immense pleasure and privilege to deliver my talk on impact of greenhouse gas emissions on climate change. At this juncture, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to the science show publishers and the managing editor, Dr. Srikala Ganapathy, for providing this opportunity to talk on this topic. First of all, we should know about the climate change. What is climate change? Climate change refers to significant and lasting the changes in the Earth's temperature and weather patterns. These changes can be from the natural causes such as the large volcanic activity or from the human activities since the industrial revolutions during the period of 19th century. Humans have been the main driver of this climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and gases. This image illustrated the sources to release of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases play the vital role for this climate change. How to form the greenhouse gases? The gases, which includes carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, uh, chlorofluorocarbons, are the major source of these greenhouse gases. These carbon dioxides, which uptake by forest from the biomass plantations and degraded the minelands that are released. It is also released by the burning of these fossil fuels, coal bed, methane formations, then geological formations and ponds with the bacteria. These are the major sources of carbon dioxide formations. This slide shows the major impact of the greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases which cause the global warming. The global warming is a factor which is associated with this increasing this global temperature. During the 20th century, it can be raised 0.74 plus or minus 0.18 degrees centigrade. In the 21st century, the raising of temperature reached up to 1.1 degrees centigrade. Due to the rising of the global temperature, the sea level is gradually rising. It was raised 0.18 to 0.59 meter during 2019 to 2100 of the year. And it's also caused the glacial retreat. So it leads to the Arctic shrinkage, the changing of the rainfall patterns, unusual heavy rain formations, increased the intensity and frequency of the extreme weather events, water scarcity, reduction of this ozone layer, changes in agricultural and yield, changes in the range of climate dependent diseases, especially these vector-borne diseases are increasing, and more prevalence of malaria and dengue fever. What are the major carbon substrates and other substrates for releasing of this biogas, methane and carbon dioxide? From the research, we understand that the carbohydrate is one of the source to releasing of this major biogas. It contains 50% of methane gases and 50% of carbon dioxide. The raw protein contains total biogas yield material is around 700 of the total solids. Among these, 70 to 71 percentage of the methane and the carbon dioxide of 29 to 30 percentage to be released. The raw fat, it is a major source for releasing of methane as well as carbon dioxide. The methane percentage of about 67 to 68 percentage and the carbon dioxide of about 32 to 33 percentage was noticed. What are the major effect of the global warming due to these greenhouse gases? And this is a major factor which is to the sea level rising and the expansion of the subtropical deserts. The species extinctions is one of the important thing for so that most of the species on this endangered level. The changes in this agricultural yield due to the temperature variations, especially this formation of these hotter temperatures, more severe storms, and increased droughts, more health risks, and the poverty and the displacement. So, at this juncture, we should concentrate on this minimizing the emission of this carbon dioxide and the methane and chlorofluorocarbons into the environment. So we can minimize in this global warming, we can conserve our environment from this climate change. Once again, I thank you to the organizers of Science Source Publishers. Thank you.